Trees are very important as they give out oxygen, and so are plants. But some of them appear so strange that they look like from another planet. Number 1. Dragon Blood Tree. The dragon's blood tree, as its name, looks like it is bleeding, native to a single island in the Socotra archipelago off the coast of Yemen in the Arabian Sea. The extraordinary looking dragon's blood tree, which is classified as vulnerable to extinction, can grow to more than 30 feet in height and live for almost 600 years. The dragon's blood tree has a unique and strange appearance, with an upturned, densely packed crown having the shape of an upright umbrella. It's actually the red sap from the dragon's blood tree. Its bark bleeds like a human being due to its antioxidant phenols and anti-inflammatory compounds. The dragon's blood tree can be used to fight against skin troubles, for example sores, bites, cuts, and burns. It is so called due to the red sap that the tree is produced. It has been used as toothpaste and makeup, dye for wool, and glue for pottery. It is used to this day for varnishing violins and wooden foot engraving. Number 2. Hyndora africana. This plant is found in southern parts of Africa and grows almost entirely underground, except the flower is above the ground. However, the flower completely smells, attracting beetles for the plant's benefit. The flowers trap the beetles just long enough for them to pick up pollen. The plant then releases the beetles back out into the world to pollinate other plants. They even have fruit that grows on them that are a food source for birds, porcupines, and other animals. Jackals seem to love the fruit so much that plant is also sometimes named as the jackal food. Number 3. Impatient bequartii. Impatient bequartii is a rare species from the rainforest of East Africa. This plant only grows about a foot across, and the blooms are barely half an inch long, but their enchanting shapes make up for it. The petals resemble a little girl in a skirt with outstretched arms. These little flowers are one of the rarest flowers around and prove quite hard to find even for the most determined plant collector. Nicknamed for their resemblance to dancing ladies in dresses, these tiny flowers are native to East Africa and come in white and light pink. Dancing girls will root wherever they touch the soil. Number 4. Hyndellum peckii. This is actually not a plant, but a species of a fungus. The bleeding tooth fungus is a species of fungus known by the scientific name Hyndellum peckii. It is also commonly known as strawberries and cream and devil's tooth. Some people think that this fungus is not edible, but it actually is edible. People just don't eat it because it has a very bitter taste. The fungi are found in forested regions, not only in North America, but also Iran, South Korea, and Europe. It hides among the mosses and needles characteristics of shady conifer forest. In some regions, the fungus is disappearing, apparently due to the excess nitrogen found in soil due to pollution. The particular fungus was first described in 1912 by an American mycologist, Howard James Banker, who gave the species its present name, Hyndellum peckii. Number 5. Skeleton flower. Skeleton flower is found in only 3 locations in the world. The flower is known to grow in colder areas of Japan and China and in the United States. The skeleton flower has large leaves with bright green and yellow centers, which make the shape of an umbrella. The fading of the color in the petals when rain happens because of a loose cell structure present in white flowers, and not due to the pigment being washed out. When it rains, water fills in the cells of the petals, thus turning it clear, same as water. But as soon as the rain ends and the water dries, they become normal again. Number 6. Elephant foot yam. Much of the elephant foot yam can be eaten. When the leaves of the plant wither and die, the corm or tuber can be dug up and eaten. Usually, it is cooked and eaten as a vegetable, and in many places it is smashed with salt and eaten with rice. It is a tropical tuber crop grown primarily in Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, and the tropical Pacific Islands. The elephant foot yam is used as food in island Southeast Asia, mainland Southeast Asia, South Asia, New Guinea, Oceania, and Madagascar. Its origin and center of domestication was formerly considered to be India, where it is most widely utilized as a food resource in recent times. But a genetic study in 2017 have shown that Indian populations of elephant foot yams have lower genetic diversity than those in island Southeast Asia. Therefore, it is now believed that elephant foot yams originated from island Southeast Asia and spread westward in Thailand and India, resulting in 3 independent domestic events. From island Southeast Asia, they were also spread even further west in Madagascar and eastward to coastal New Guinea and Oceania. Number 7. Living stones, also known as lithops, are a plant that looks like a stone to not get eaten by other animals or humans, and are native to South Africa. Their name is derived from the ancient Greek word meaning the stone face. They blend in with the surrounding rocks and avoid being eaten, and are stemless and thickened leaves buried in the soil. 2 leaves grow above the soil with a slit in the middle of the plant from where the flowers grow, and they hardly require any attention. Number 8. Devil's fingers. The devil's fingers are also not a plant but a fungus type. It's usually found in South Africa, Madagascar, New Zealand, and parts of Europe and Latin America. If you want to get rid of devil's fingers from your land, you pretty much have to beat it with a spade or kill it with fire. It's not toxic, but you won't want to eat a ball of it by any name. This fungus has a bad, bitter taste. The fungi spend much of their time underground eating bits of wood. So that was all for today. Bye!